What up guys, it's Chris. Today I'm giving you a DIY perspective of my ownership of this titanium stick 225 from Harbor Freight. I've had plenty of welders over the past few months just trying to get my way up to the upgraded models. I recently started stick welding. I do MIG welding at work, not all the time, but we have a nice Miller stick welder, not stick welder, MIG welder that I use. But this is a stick 225, 120 and 240 volt. I personally exclusively use 240. So this is basically going to be an experience based on 240. So if you use on 110, it's going to be less powerful, less amps, harder to strike an arc. But let me say, this thing is a beast. This thing is a beast. Don't bother trying to buy some of those cheap Amazon stick welders for 40, 50, 60 bucks because, you know, they might work here and there, great, but most of the time you're just going to struggle to strike an arc. The hot start's going to suck. Usually you're not getting 240 volts out of them. Limited amperage, and usually the amperage doesn't read right. On this one, when you put it to 85 or 120 amps, it feels like 85 to 120 amps. It doesn't feel like you're getting, 20% less amps than what it's rated for. Power cord's really high quality, decent length. Fans nice and quiet, it's not too loud. Very good size. Fits in my toolbox right here. This thing welds amazingly. For someone who just recently started stick welding, this thing is totally worth the money. Highly recommend. I had 3 other welders. A cheap Amazon one. I had a Firepower, otherwise known as an ESAB, cheap welder. The Firepower worked great, but it was only limited to 90 amps, so you can't really weld too much with that. Especially if you're using thicker metals, like 3/8, quarter inch. I mainly do 1/8 and quarter. I have a few half-inch pieces I do weld, but not often. Another thing is, I did upgrade in the negative terminal. So I got this magnetrode. This is actually something we have at work. I kind of copied the inspiration. And let me tell you, this thing is great. Having a magnetic ground clamp is life-changing. Because instead of having to find a clamp, the clamp falls off, whatever, all you do is magnetize this thing straight to your steel workplace or your welding table, and boom. It's not going anywhere. It's not going to lose connection, nothing. I basically snipped off the end. This is the factory ground clamp. It's decent, but not great. Better than the cheap ones. The Stinger is something I would say isn't great. Could be upgraded, but it does the job for, I would say, any DIY or hobbyist doing it at home. If you're doing professionally, I'd probably get a better Stinger just because it's plastic. It doesn't really open that well, so if you're using thicker rods, it's going to be a little harder to get it in there. I typically do Lincoln 7018. I've also done the Vulcan rods. I'm not a big fan of them. I find the Vulcan rods like to stick. They love to stick to your metal, no matter, it's 40 to 90 amps, but you bring up to 90 amps, it's still going to stick. While this, you do 65 to 100, you can run it at 65 amps and you're never going to stick. It does come with a 240 to 110 adapter. I read that you should run it, if you're going to do 110, you should have on a 20 amp outlet, which is probably what you're going to want to run. I run 240 50 amp, which is what you should be running on this. If you're going to actually spend the money on this, you should have a 240 outlet for this machine. The 110 is great in a pinch, but if you're going to actually want to weld quality and quickly, get a 240 outlet. Makes a big difference. But yeah, this thing, if you're going to spend 300 bucks on a welder, this is the thing to get. Don't get anything on Amazon. Just spend the money and get this. You'll be much happier. Especially if you're learning to learn stick welding, because stick welding is not easy to learn. MIG's easy. If you're just starting off welding, just get a MIG welder. You're gonna have a much better time than stick. But that kind of concludes the review of this thing. Highly recommend. 5 out of 5 stars. Let me know if you need anything in the comment section. Thanks.